plane lands on a cold morning at London's Luton Airport. Nothing special about that, you may think, but on board is a Spanish rugby team who are coming to play their regular league match in England. Since 2006, the CNPN Enginyers from Barcelona have been playing in a local English county competition, becoming the first Spanish club to play in a foreign league. Quite a challenge for an amateur side.
We played in the first division of the Catalan League for several years. Eventually we won it. And in 2004 we had to go up to a national league. Now Spain is a very large country and it turned out to be very expensive. And then the idea came to our general manager that perhaps the low-cost flights would be cheaper, it would work out cheaper if we played in England.
Patterson Smith, an English expat and long-time servant of the club, approached the Rugby Football Union and was given the green light to play in a local league. After a trial match to gauge their standard, the club was parachuted into Hertfordshire's top division and now leave their family and friends behind in Spain for every away fixture.
Hola, Andrea. Te juro que no volveré a irme. Besos.
The idea was a bit weird, a bit crazy, but we're a very open-minded club, and the idea of playing abroad was really motivating.
And so, every other weekend, the players pack their bags and head for the airport, a decision not always quite understood in their home country.
I think that people in Spain don't get it, because rugby is an underdeveloped sport in our country. Football is so big that rugby just survives. There is a lot of rugby, but at a lower level. But this was a great opportunity for us.
And of course, the English climate makes its own very special demands.
Yes, we have to get used to this. Every time we play here, we change our boots and we use more clothes to protect ourselves from the bad weather.
For the local English clubs, the addition of a continental team to the league has been a refreshing experience, both on and off the pitch.
You know that whereas sort of against opposition in our league, normally if you kick the ball away, it's normally kicked back. That's not the case here. They are running rugby. It's sort of they've got a few of the un-Argentinian boys in there, and they will just run the ball at you. And it's hard running. It's good, quick rugby is what they want to play. It's not sort of old boys rugby.
The Spaniards have a 100% record in the league. They've won the title 2 years running, and with their sights set firmly on a hat-trick, they were determined to get off to a winning start in their opening match of the season against Hertford Exiles. In typically English conditions, it was the locals who took an early advantage, the champions not enjoying the wet and the wind. But just before the end, the Spaniards showed why they've been so successful. With 2 tries in the dying minutes, they eventually sealed victory, a tribute to their adventurous and attacking style.
Their handling is infinitely superior to most English teams at this level, in my opinion. And like a lot of other continental teams, they are very good on the attack, and that's the side of things they bring into the game here.
For the English teams, of course, there's the excitement of heading to Barcelona for the away match later in the season. But that's not the only benefit the Spaniards have given to their adopted country.
I think they have brought quite a lot of comradeship, and obviously travelling as they do, and thereby they've encouraged the English teams to keep together in the evenings, which sometimes doesn't happen in clubs in this country these days.